It's Jared from Impact 90, and today we're going to look at pages. In the last video, we did an overview of the whole backend section, and today we're just going to focus on pages. So here we are in pages, and we are going to focus our attention on the blank page, the index, the folder, and the link. There's obviously other pages we can and other building blocks we can add, like blogs, galleries, and a cover page, but we're going to cover each one of these in a separate video, so look out for those. So today, like I said, we're going to look at a blank page, an index, a folder, and a link. If we go out, we'll see that this is the home page. You see right now there's a trash can because I'm hovering on it, but as I hover away, there's a home icon that's to the left of these two rectangles. That means that this page is our home page. So when you come to this site, this is also just a sample site. When you come to this site, this is the home page. Now you can change which page is the home page, but for right now, we're not going to be doing that. I will do that in another video. But let's look at the index page. So an index page is made up of basic pages. Okay, so index. So we'll go here. We're just going to create a new one. We're going to call this just basic page. Boom. So this basic page, I could easily just drop it into the index. See the way I could just drop it right in there? And then when I do that, when I go to welcome or the home page, all of a sudden I have this page here, which is the basic page. And then I'd have the intro, and then the next, as you see here, all the way down will be the image. And there we are. And I can just as easily take the basic page out of the index section. So the index page or index section is a really great building block for Squarespace, and I use it all the time with many of my clients. And it is always made up of, it can be made up of galleries. You can put a gallery as one of these. You can put an image as one of these. But for right now, we're just going to focus on the basic pages. So it's essentially built with basic pages. Once again, I can drag it in, up, and there it is, and it's allowing me to edit, or I can drag it out. And you'll notice that the basic page, the welcome, and the contact are in our primary navigation. So up here, this is our primary navigation section. Over here would be our secondary navigation, where we have these two items. And these two items, as you see, are not pages, they're links. And so you can, here we'll go in here and we'll add in, yep, it's already in there. So Impact 90, and I'll hit save. And when I click on this, it's going to take me to Impact 90's Instagram. It's going to open up a new window and take me out there. And this could be something that you may want your clients, your donors, your customers to be able to access right here up at the top, right here at the navigation level. I could do LinkedIn. I don't think that there's a link yet for that, a link to that, but the Instagram one definitely is. So once again, it's a link and you can have it up in the navigation. You cannot put links into index sections. Index sections can only be built with basic pages, and there's some other building blocks you can add in there, but for right now, we're going to focus on basic pages. So we have the basic page, the index section, which is made up of pages or basic pages, and then we have a link. The other thing that we are going to look at today is we're going to look at folders. This is the fourth item. So we'll go down here, we'll click folder. We're going to call this folder a sample folder. And what we can put in folders are basic pages. And when we do that, watch what happens. So we're going to do that. As soon as we let that drop in, our new folder, and this is not going to let us see, we're going to open that up. Our new folder now has our basic page. The folders essentially create drop-down menus, okay? So, and then in the folder, we can add another one, and we'll put another basic page, and we'll call this basic page 2. And now, when we go, this basically, I think I went over in the first video, but this just allows you to see what everyone else will see and what you can see in the backend section. So now, when I open this up, in the sample folder, you have basic page 1 and 2. There you go. So it just basically creates a drop-down menu. And that is essentially what I want to go over today. So in Squarespace, we have, this is, for many of my clients, you're only going to use these 4, but you have a folder, a basic page, an index section, which is made up of, basic pages, and then you have the contact. Sorry, and then you have the link. This is the link icon. So that is essentially what I wanted to cover today. In the next video, we are going to dive a little bit more into the basic page and start to build out a page and get into text and images and stuff like that. So thank you for following along, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.